How to connect Spectrum Remote to Television 2025 step by step. Setting up your Spectrum Remote to control your television might seem tricky, but in 2025 it's easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Find your remote model and TV brand. Most people get this wrong. They try universal code blindly. The Spectrum Remote comes with a list of codes for major television brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio. Step 2. Turn on your television, then press and hold the setup button until the LED light turns green. Enter the 3 or 4-digit code for your television brand. You won't believe what happens next if the code is correct. The LED blinks twice and your remote can now control power, volume, and input. Step 3. Test the remote functions. Adjust volume and switch channels to ensure all controls work. If it doesn't respond, repeat the process with alternate codes listed for your television brand. Step 4. Program additional devices if needed, like soundbars or receivers, following the same setup steps. Spectrum remotes can store multiple device codes for seamless control. By following these steps, you can simplify your setup, reduce clutter, and control all your devices with one remote. The surprising truth is that a properly programmed Spectrum remote not only saves time, but also improves your viewing experience, letting you focus on the content rather than fiddling with multiple remotes.